Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today on this channel, right, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 recipes that I use for my business so that you guys can also use it for your business and be able to, make really nice cakes for your customers and stuff. If you see anybody on this internet telling you that pretty girls don't get keep, so I'm going to tell you so because I do not get keep. They be paid not to get keep. If you had any business sense, if you are any smart at all, in this capitalistic world we live in, you are going to gatekeep, because gatekeeping is not a terrible thing. I think there was a trend about maybe some months ago, or even now, like pretty girls do not get keep, fine girls do not get keep. I'm not going to gatekeep this stuff. If you see anybody talking about how they do not get keep, they've been paid not to get keep. So do not be an idiot. So welcome you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Dami, and this is the Cake Business Bootcamp. And on this channel, we talk about all these cake businesses, how you can grow your channel, how you can grow your business, and how you can, make more money and be, better established as a cake business owner. So this video today, we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should gatekeep. Number 1 is because you're not an idiot. Gatekeeping is not a terrible thing. Gatekeeping helps you keep your competitive edge. Huge businesses do it. Coca-Cola does it. Pepsi does it. KFC does it. Everyone does it because that is how you keep your competitive edge. You don't want to go blabbing everything around because you are a good person, you are a nice person. You're not going to make any money. If you're in business to make money, which I'm sure you're not in business to make friends or to, to be liked, then you should gatekeep. And I'm going to be giving you 5 things you should gatekeep. Yes? And don't listen to those idiots saying, oh, it's perfect, you shouldn't get keep. Pretty girls do not get keep. Fine girls do not get keep. They've been paid not to get keep. So now I'm going to teach you how to get keep, and then you get keep. So let's get into it. These are the 5 important things you want to get keep as a business owner, right? Number 1 is your recipe, right? On this channel, guys, I used to post a lot of tutorials. I think I have more than 780 tutorials. And within that 780 tutorials, I have more than 50 recipes on this channel. And a bunch of those recipes, then I used to use them for my business. Right now, I think I have 1 or 2 I still use for my business. And I'm not even going to tell you guys which one it is. A bunch of those recipes, I still use them, but some of them I've tweaked them over the years. I've kind of made changes to them to, suit my business a lot more better, suit the taste of my customers a lot more better. Or like I kind of switched it based on taste or what I didn't like in the recipe. But I think only 1 or 2 of them, I still use them exactly as they are. And I'm not even going to tell you guys what those recipes are. So if you have really nice recipes in your cake business that you love, your customers love, you like the outcome, you like how it looks, if you're not going to sell it, stop giving it away. The reason why you get keep is because it gives you competitive edge. If everybody's cake in your neighborhood tastes like yours, then what are you doing? There are so many restaurants in this world that sells fried chicken. Have you ever tasted one that tasted like KFC? That's exactly what I'm saying. Even big businesses, they keep, because the plan is to be able to, I know you're small right now. The plan is to be able to grow your business to a point where, like, you are big, you have a lot of employees, you can pay their salaries, you can contribute meaningfully to your, economy and stuff. You don't want to go around giving everybody your recipes, except you want to sell them. I understand if you want to sell them, that's the time. And I understand if maybe you have a YouTube channel and you want to give them away because YouTube pays you. That's a whole different ballgame. You don't want to give the whole neighborhood your recipe, then why should they buy from you? Really nice. So let's go on to the next one. Number 2 is your pricing structure. And I want you to notice that those are very 2 different things when you're talking about pricing structure and prices. For example, I have a website where you can see most of my prices on there. You can go on there and copy my pricing, but you don't know how I came about those prices. You don't know what my cost price is like. You don't know what my profit margin is like. You don't know how much I pay myself. You don't know how much I buy the ingredients that I use. So there's a difference between pricing and pricing structure. So you don't want to go around giving people your pricing structure, except you're creating a class where you're selling how to price your cakes, or how other bakers can price their cakes. That way you get some monetary value for it and for your business, if you understand what I mean. So you don't want to go around just spreading around your business information. It is not smart, especially if you live in a capitalistic environment. So number 3 is your client list. Sometimes I see a lot of bakers talk about like their customers, a particular cake, how much was paid, how much it was made, how much it was. Yes, I understand you're trying to create content, but you, aside from the confidentiality aspect of protecting your customers' information, you also want to protect your business. The less information people have about your business, the better for you and the better for those customers. I don't want to say a lot about this. I think I sometimes do it on my Instagram, but there's a method to the madness. There's certain things you don't say, and there's certain things you say. I know we're all creating content, but you have to be very careful when you talk about like things on the internet and things you give away, if you get what I mean, just for creating content. So we've talked about pricing structure, we've talked about the recipes, we've talked about like client lists, and the fact that you don't want to be giving out your trade secrets. There are certain things you do in your business that maybe these are, if they are maybe at 10 cake businesses in your environs, maybe you are number 6. There are certain things you are doing in that business that makes you number 6. It doesn't make you number 8. It doesn't make you number 10. It doesn't keep you at the bottom of the food chain. If you understand what I mean, those are your business secrets. I want you to sit down and curate it and write it down. If you decide to create a class in order to teach other people, that is different. That way it's giving you monetary value. So people on the internet blabbing it all the way. Oh, except maybe like, you know, your cake business is not your source of income, or you have other sources of income. This is just your hobby. This is just something you do for fun, and you like to give away stuff because you're a philanthropist. Awesome if that's who you are. But if you're looking to make some money, or this is your source of income, you depend on this, your family depends on this, your children, your friends and family, your husband, your extended family depend on this indirectly. Please do not do that. You have to put some, you know, smarts into it when sharing things on it. And last but not the least, yeah, I feel like the number one reason why you should gatekeep this, and like I feel like this is the number one thing you should gatekeep, yeah, because it is just not smart. You live in a capitalist society where like everything is for sale. Let me give you an example. If you want to drink water now and you're not in your house, except you knock on somebody's door on the street and say, please, can you give me water to drink? And they might shut the door in your face, because it is the world we live in. You get to have to buy water to drink. And nobody manufactures water. Water comes from the ground. Water comes from the sky. Nobody, it's like, water does not have a manufacturing cost. But you can still get it for free. Because some people have put it together, they put their minds together, they bottled it up, they put it in the refrigerator to sell to you. And then you give them some money in exchange for that water. Don't give out your knowledge for free. When you see people on the internet talking about, oh, I do not gatekeep, it is because they've been paid not to gatekeep. If a small business owner, and this is your primary or your secondary source on this, please gatekeep. I feel like smart people gatekeep. Yeah. Rich people gatekeep. If you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you had other things to add to this video, if you have other things you feel like we should gatekeep and you want to leave in the comment section, please maybe we can talk about it in future videos. And if you have something you want me to talk about on this channel, please write it for me in the comment section. I'll really love to see your comment. Thank you guys so much, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. That's it, like, let's do it right now. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in my future video. Bye.